Hello guys. It's Friday, a great start of the weekend, and we are here with a new episode, a fresh episode of Crypto Milad. What we're gonna do today, we're gonna discuss first the Bitcoin price, and then we're gonna take a look at a couple altcoins, maybe Hoppy, a little analyze of Hoppy, because we also did it yesterday. So we will take a look at Hoppy and we will take a look at Pepe and maybe one altcoin more. Let's see what we will do in the end. But there come some altcoins after the Bitcoin analyst, guys. Just first of all, I want to give a big shout out to Crypto Timmy. I saw his video. I appreciate the love what he sent at me. Crypto Timmy has a nice channel, crypto channel, YouTube channel about meme coins. Crypto Timmy is specialized at meme coins. He likes meme coins. He likes the 100x, the 1000x, the 500x. He's doing a lot of investigation about this meme coins, and he have always some new meme coin what he investigate, and he like to share with his subscribers. And I really appreciate his love. He have a good vibes. He have a good energy. And one thing I gonna promise you guys, I gonna do a live stream with Crypto Timmy. Just it's not yet the time. Let me grow a little bit more the channel, so we have a little bit more subscribers, and then we're gonna make a great show with Crypto Timmy, interview Crypto Timmy, discuss with Crypto Timmy what he see about new investigations about the meme coins, what you guys also like to know, and maybe we can share that with each other, with his subscribers and my subscribers, and become one big family. What we're gonna gain some great gains, guys. That's what we want to do. Okay, thank you, Crypto Timmy. Shootout. Now we go to the Bitcoin charts, guys. The Bitcoin chart is at 61k 370 now, guys. It's at 61k. Let's go first to the weekly chart, because with the weekly chart we can see everything very clear. Actually, guys, for me, sorry. Before we begin, a little sip of the coffee. Like you guys know, important moment. By the way, guys, for the coffee lovers, if you want really good coffee, you need to buy it at the Barnes. It's a German company. They have the best coffee. It's not cheap. It's a little bit more expensive than normal coffee, what the most people used to buy from the supermarket, but it's really worth it, guys. It's great coffee, organic coffee, and you really enjoy each cup of coffee what you drink. The only bad thing about it is when you start with the Barnes coffee, you will never like any other coffee anymore, guys. That's what I tell you. Okay, enough about the coffee. We go to the weekly charts. So the weekly charts, actually, guys, from the Bitcoin, there are a couple scenarios what we can speak about. One scenario for the bullish confirmation, it's like this downward sloping channel with lower lows and lower highs since became March, since 6-7 months. We need to break this line, and this line is right now at this week, at the next week, like let's say around 66,000. So we need to have at least one close candle above 66,000 to really become bullish and go to the 100k. Until that doesn't happen, there is still no firework for Bitcoin. It's like it's still in the channel. We can of course trade inside the channel. You can make good gains inside the channel, but as long as it doesn't break the 66k for the bullish way, I don't see really a lot. To be honest, and then let's see. Like then we have other scenario. Like it can go like it shouldn't break like this candle here. It shouldn't break this candle. This line, this support line, it shouldn't break this, but this is for the daily. But it's also, you can also see it in the weekly, but in the daily you get a faster confirmation. So we come back above this line, we come back in it in the daily. We discuss the daily after the 4 days. Then I come in the daily, then I will explain what will happen in this scenario if we lose this. So actually today, yeah, a little, it went to 60K. the 60k hold. What was a little surprise, because the third time it retested the 60k. Normally 2 times, 3 times retesting support, it doesn't sound so good, guys. Normally you're gonna break it, but God knows who was behind this thing that he protect the 60k, and the 60k was protected. Somebody had could gain with this strategy, with this game, with this market setup. But of course, somebody has some power in the market, and yeah, it happened like that we didn't broke the 60k. So in this case, there didn't change so much here in the weekly. Like the the MACD, it should cross first before we get bullish. The CMF is cross a little bit, going a little bit down, and the RSI need to push up again. So all three, it's the same as yesterday. Let's go to the 4 days. With the 4 days chart, guys, what I also explained the previous days, we need at least one candle above this resistance line. We need one candle close above it, so not a wick, not like this or this. One candle close above it. When we have a one candle close above it, it get interesting, guys. Then prepare, guys. Then finally, where we all waiting for the 100k, and who knows, the 150k or the 200k, it's coming, guys. It's coming. Just we need a little bit more patience. We are in the Q4. Exciting days are coming. Just sometimes October, it's not always so sunny. But normally November and December, it's very sunny months for the market, for the Bitcoin market, and generally for all the financial markets. Next week, we also get a speech of Powell, and maybe that will change something in the structure. But like normally, I don't really look to that kind of things. I see you can read actually everything what happens in the charts, but it's always to know what will happen. So you have some extra preparation in the market. How more you prepared, how better, guys. So let's see what will happen here. As long we don't break this 60k, we are still in the hopium that we push up and go more up in the market. Like, we hope nothing, guys. We prepared. We have a plan. In this channel, we have a plan. We always have a plan. We are prepared for the downside. We are prepared for the upside. We are prepared for sidewards movements. It's just all part of the game, and you need to be prepared. You need to have a plan. Without a plan, I cannot say it enough, guys. Without a plan, we don't gonna survive in this market. We need a plan. As a trader, you need a plan. You need to know what you will do. You should think 2 steps in front before something happened. Otherwise, something happened and you are in panic and you don't know how to solve it. And that's not only with trading; it's also with life. You should always make a plan, a good plan. With a good plan, you will reach the finish of your goals and your dreams, I think. Okay, go to the 1 day. The 1 day we took yesterday this support line. You see it from here to here. Never break with the support line what you draw, guys. Never ever break a candle. So always under the close. Under the close, so you can go under a wick, but never under a close. So what you see here, guys, it's that the bears, they tried to break the 60k, but as a surprising way, it didn't happen yesterday, but it can still happen. I can easily see it like go a little bit more up, and then the bulls cannot push it more up. The bears take over, and we will retest this line. I see a big chance to retest this line around 58k, like 58k, 57, maybe a little wick down, 57k. But for me, this is a buy zone with, of course, always a stop loss, guys. Like if for example, we hold this, we come here. Imagine like a scenario: if we come to this support line and we hold this support line, then you have always a stop loss that we lose it again. So you are in the market in this moment. Like at least I'm in the market when this happens. I will bet on it, And then if it's go one candle lower than the previous candle, when it breaks the previous low, then I'm out. Simple like that. And it can happen one time, it can happen 3 times or 4 times. It doesn't matter, because this couple percents what you lose, and you make one big shot to the upside, you get all these little things through. But you are good, you are early in the market, and that's also important, guys, because sometimes in the middle it's very difficult to decide to go in the market, because it can easy go down, and you cannot have a short stop loss in this moment. Like here you can have a short stop loss, but when you buy here, for example, where should be your stop loss? Okay, you can put your stop loss here, but the chance is big that we break it. So it's like all chance of probability, guys, in the trading. Like my channel is new, guys, but I'm not new in the trading. I'm like now trading since 2014, and I have a lot of experience in trading, and I'm very cautious always. I'm very difficult person in protecting my money, because in the end it's all about protecting your money. Don't give your money too easy to the other hands, to the big hands, to the smarter hands, because otherwise, like why you are in the market, like to give your hard work, the money to other people that know the game better than you. I think that's very, like, that's not what you want, guys. And I also don't want that for my subscribers. Actually, I made this channel to share my knowledge, what I have, with you guys, so I can also give you some ideas how you can protect your assets. And I will make really some great content about for beginners, for new traders, for medium traders. I will give all my tips and tricks, what I learned in the past years, how you can protect your money, where is the good time to go in, when not, why you make decisions. That's also all important, what I learned in the past years. So I will share that with you guys. Just I didn't make it yet because I wait for my new camera. It should come today or otherwise Monday. When it's arrived, I will make some great videos about trading, guys. I promise that for you. Okay, so the daily chart, as long we hold this line, this support line, it's fine. If we break this support line, guys, I'm out the market, and I wait until we reach 50, between 50, let's say 53 and 49. That's my buy zone, the next station, the next destination. And from there we look what will happen. Like, I don't expect that we're gonna break this line also with the close, because that will be the chance in that is very little, because time wise Bitcoin should already pumping, and it didn't do it. So I don't expect such a long time that we will go down a bearish market. I don't expect that. It's always a little chance, of course, but the chance is so little that I really don't expect that. I think, or we hold this, a big chance that we hold this. Like, I give it 60%, 60% that we hold this. And then I give it the other 40% that we hold this. And I just give it the 5% or less that we break this line from the 50K. So how more close we come. Oh, I moved the line. So how more close we come to this line, it's a good buy for me. And then after, how more close we come to this line, it's a great buy for me. So how closer you buy from this line, how less risk you have to lose money, and how shorter your stop loss can be. And that's, of course, that's what you want in trading, guys. As less risk taking, as less risk what you can take to win money, because that's where trading is all about, and you should understand that. As long you don't understand that, I think you are not in the place where you should be for trading. Let's go to the 4 days, guys. Sorry, 4 hour. The 4-hour candle. The 4-hour candle. We one time tried the bears tried to break the 60K. It was not happened. Then we do it here. It didn't happen. We tried it one time more. It didn't happen. So 3 times we tried to break the 60K. Even maybe it hit it like 59. Yeah, it hit it 59, but like with €50 difference from the 60K. So, And from here, like the bulls are defending their territory, and let's see how far they can come. I personally, I think the chance is now, right now, a little bit more bigger than that we test the 58k or the 57, 58k, than that we in one line go up from here and we go to the moon. I give it a more probability that we're gonna test, make a one move down more, and from there we analyze what we will do. Like from there, I will buy just with the stop loss. And if that doesn't hold, I buy at the 50, 50, and 49, 50, 53 around this area. I'm active and I start to buy. You don't need always buy in once, guys. You can like buy in 3 times, 4 times when different prices. Each time when they go a little bit lower, you buy, but don't buy too high because then your average price will not be so comfortable to stay in the market to avoid risks. Let's take a look at the indicators. The MACD, it looks bullish, guys. It's crossed. So let's see how far the bulls can push this. The CMF, it doesn't look bad. The RSI, it's going up, so it's not bad. The 1 hour. I will make it a little bit bigger. Yeah, the 1 hour, I just explained the 4 hours. Like the 1 hour, it looks fine. Just we need to break this line. You see this white line here? We need to have a close above this to push it higher. When we have a close above this is the next level, 62. Then we need to break 62 and see if we can break all one close above 61,900. A close above it makes me bullish that it will go a little bit more up. And still, if it go to 63, don't forget, guys, it still can go down again. Like this, do you see this green line here? That's a resistance line at 64k. As long we don't break 64k, I don't see we push it higher. Like so. Let's see until where the bulls can push this price. Like if it's one close above 64k, it makes a quite difference in the scenario because then it means we can push it higher, and from there we need to analyze the market again. The MACD, it looks fine. The CMF, it looks a little weak because it's going down. The RSI is going up. Let's see how far it can go up. So to make it short, guys, the conclusion is we need to break first 64k with this up movement, and if not, we need to prepare of a break of 60k, like to 58k, 57k. I see some support there, and if it doesn't hold, 60 is the 58k. Then the next destination is 50k, guys. Okay, this was for Bitcoin. Let's now go take a look at our favorite son, the Hoppy, guys. What's Hoppy doing? Yesterday, Hoppy did great. Yeah, I saw that we had a little pullback. Let's go to the daily to analyze it as clear as possible. Yeah, like you see, this was the point, the white here, thing. This was a point what I already had before it reached this line. Like I expected a support here at 1.7, like 3 zeros before 1.7, and it happened. We went with the wick above, and then it couldn't hold, and we are now struggling here a little bit at 1.5, what still is a great price. So let's see if it's make a retest. Like what I told you yesterday about Hoppy, it's a great project, I think, to make good profit. I have really a lot of faith in Hoppy, and I think it really can make great gains. Just of course, nothing goes up in one rocket line, what I told you also, guys. Sometimes we have a pullback. And in this moment that you see the coin is very bullish, I think each pullback, it's worth to take a look to buy in some points. Like for me, for example, like let's go to the 4 hours. Maybe it's a little bit. Yeah, in the 4 hours you can see it very clear. Uh, like if it comes to 130, it's a good buy personally for me. And like this is really a support one, the 100. That's really good support. Like I don't know if we reached the 100 to be honest, because that's a 50% drop from where we are now. So I expect more that the pullbacks will be between 140 and maybe at max 125 around this. I think that's a realistic view to pullbacks when people didn't buy in maybe yet and they want to know the prices where to buy in. For me, this is like the area from 125 until like 140. That's a good area for me. Maybe in 3 steps from 140 to 125 you can buy, and maybe you leave a little bit for even lower prices. But at the moment it looks strong, and I think it have more upwards. I think really Hoppy tries to break the all-time high, guys. I think really Hoppy is trying to do that, and I think it will succeed. Let's take a look at Pepe also. Like I spoke a couple days ago, like 4 or 5 days ago, I made a video about Pepe, and I told you guys it looks like we're gonna have a pullback with Pepe. It was a little bit overbite, and it looked strong, but it was too overbite. So I think I already told you guys around 900, around this price, we will have some support, and you see we went until 840, but with a wick. Like the closes were around 865, the lowest close, and like average around this area, like between 860 and let's say 890, 900. Around this was for me a good buy. And let's see what Pepe will do now. You see with the MRI buy, with the thing, with the indicator what I used, the MRI buy here, it told buy, and from here it went up again. So let's see how far Pepe can go. I think Pepe, it's also not a bad buy. It's a good buy. Just of course it depends all on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin go to 58, what I expect, then expect that Pepe also go a little bit lower, because Pepe is very related with Bitcoin. I think then you can expect a price of 750. That's, I think, the next destination of support. And yeah, 750 to 900, that's like 20% difference. That's quite a lot. Okay, guys, then for today, I'm gonna say goodbye. I hope you liked the show. And tomorrow I'm back, Saturday. I make a new video about the Bitcoin analyze, and maybe we do a couple altcoins. Maybe if Hoppy make some crazy moves, I will analyze Hoppy also. And stay in touch, guys. If you like the show, please give me a like so we can together attract more people that we can help to protect their assets, guys, to give them some tips, to get a nice community together, a nice channel where we can help each other. And if you have questions, if you want I analyze some coin that you like, let it me know in the comments, and I will definitely look at it, and I will put it in my agenda for the next episode tomorrow. Okay, guys, I wish you a great Friday. Enjoy the weekend, and see you to the next episode. Ciao, guys. Crypto Milad. Ciao.